One of the lovely trends in decorating houses these days is some of these little miniature indoor plants that you can get. And the problem is with a lot of indoor plants, they die. Certainly there's certain positions of the house where there's not quite enough light and they just wind down. What made you happy for a week or two is now useless. Well, there's a trick. You notice there's two of these and sort of two other ones, tiny little things. Now, this particular one is $20. If you buy two, you can put one of them in one position inside the house where it's very pretty and getting plenty of light and will grow well. And then each week you swap them over. The whole idea is to keep both of them healthy, a week at one spot and a week at the other. Buy in tandems, and you can actually grow plants in areas that you could never possibly grow plants. There's the other two here. See? They can be slightly different. Each week you swap them over. One of them into the sunnier position indoors, and the other one into, say, a dark corner in a room or something. It just needs cheering up. You can cheer it up and they stay alive. That work for you?